Hello, I'm Chef Coco Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, hello everyone, look at this. I'm your chef, Chef Coco Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef. Thank you again for liking and subscribing. I appreciate you all. I love you. Today I am going to make one of my favorite Filipino dish. It is called Sinigang. I'm going to share you my recipe to this, and I'm going to tell you it's not even going to take that long. Now for my sinigang, I use beef ribeye. I'm going to add some pork bones, as you can see. First things first, let's put our pot. Look at my pot. It looks like I'm cooking for the army. So this is 3 liters of drinking water that I'm going to pour here. I'm going to put a pork bones. This is gonna give lots of good flavors into your soup. This dish is very famous in my country, so I want to share you guys all these goodies. So just wash my hands. Time to prep our veggies. You can use spinach, but today I am going to use kangkong. This is called river spinach in English. They grow in river water. You want to make sure you take out all the mud. Long bean, we call it in my country. Sitaw. This is about 12 ounces of fresh tomatoes. This is a whole onion that is already been cut, and a piece of lemon that's a medium size, and lemongrass. Mom, I got your lemongrass. Thank you, Mom. I love you. And also okra. And we're going to use one big eggplant. This is called taro root. In my language, we call this gabe. And I also have some serrano peppers here. Alright, so we're gonna start cutting our vegetables. Let me show you how to cut the okra. Usually I take 3 pieces and just cut the edge like that. Now our taro, go ahead and peel it. Most of these vegetables are exotic. The long beans, cut them all in the edges like so. Cutting it this way. Again, this is a river spinach. Wherever there's water, they grow. You don't have to keep the stem. The flavoring on kangkong, it's sweet and it's crunchy at the same time. You can even just eat it as is. I cut my kangkong just like this. You do not have to do it one by one to take off the leaves. Lemongrass. So I'm gonna cut my lemongrass like that size. Let's put our skillet into medium-high heat like so. This is 1 stick of butter. I'm gonna let this be melted. Now time to add our ribeye steak. I want to sear this first and get a little bit of brownish color. We're gonna just cook this for just a few minutes. And now it's time to add the onions, because you know onions do give sweet flavor, especially when you sear them. Now on the other side, I put the cut fresh tomatoes. Look at that. Now I'm going to scoop and skim our pork here. So make sure you take out all that. Now this has been cooking for half an hour. I'm going to add the lemongrass and cover it again. Over here I have a tablespoon of ground garlic, and I have a teaspoon of black pepper for flavoring. Make sure you sprinkle it very nice. I'll mix this together. Sisinangag ako. So this is what you call, I'm searing everything together. Now at this point, what I do is I add my lemon. Let this be cooked for another 5 minutes, and then we're gonna put this into our big pot. So just letting you guys know again that total time on cooking all these together is about 15-18 minutes, okay? We're gonna put all these into our big pot. Be careful though, because it's hot. So after that, we're gonna let this be cooked for another 45 minutes to an hour. Now it has been 45 minutes. Time to add some of our seasoning. But this is a fish sauce that we use for when we cook sinigang. Oh dear, the smell. Why you taste so good? So let's add about 2.5 ounces of these. And this is the sinigang mix. Now you can buy this to Asian market or mostly Filipino store. 40 grams of the sinigang mix. Go add our tamarind base, and we're gonna throw in the peppers and the agave, which is the taro. I had cut them in little pieces like so. Add your okra and our eggplant. Mix that again one more time. Cover it and let this be cooked for 10 minutes. That has been 10 minutes. Now time to add your long beans, our sitaw, and our kangkong, the river spinach. We're gonna cook this again for another 10 minutes. Please don't forget to always put your pot in a medium-high heat. Alright, I just cooked white rice and our sinigang is ready. Look at this. Wow. Please share this to your families and to your loved ones, especially if you want your kids to be introduced with vegetable. This is it for you. So again, thank you for watching my YouTube channel here, Cooking It with Chef Coco Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef. I hope you get to enjoy this. This is one of my favorite Filipino dish. Enjoy. See you again. To put in our, oh sorry. Sorry. Okay, sit again. Sheila, Pahe, thanks for my beautiful dress. I love you. And he missed my mom too. Mom, I hope you're enjoying the Philippines. I will see you soon. And when you're cooking, think of love only. And be happy.